Hey guys, welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back with
Carrie.
Today we are going to do a pull through mermaid braid. Let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, so to start I just sectioned off a rectangular section in the front and pulled it into an elastic at the crown, a small elastic. And then every inch and a half or so, 2 inches, I've placed small elastics down to close to the bottom, a few inches from the bottom of her hair. And from there, you're going to pick up a section of hair on either side you want to start on. I'm starting on the right side. Okay. Now you're going to go between these first two elastics and you're going to make a hole in the hair, and then you're just going to reach through and grab this hair and pull it through. And then you're going to go to the other side, pick up a strand section of hair, and same thing. Just going to reach through from the other side, grab that section of hair and pull it through. So we've just crisscrossed these sections of hair right through that elastic. We're just going to leave that hanging down for right now, and we're going to go back to this side and pick up another section of hair. You can do this style on dry hair or wet hair. Her hair is dry, and it might be a little easier on wet hair just because of flyaways. If you don't have that problem, then you're probably fine with dry hair. So I've added in that other section that we've crisscrossed. I've got my new section here, and I've added in this section that we crisscrossed from this side. And we are going to pull that through. We're going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go ahead and pick up that top section from over here. Then I'm going to pick up another section on this side. Because her hair is dry, I'm just trying to gather in all of those flyaways. And pull it on through. So now we've got through 2 loops, and you can see how it's taken the mermaid effect. And you're just going to continue that all the way down through these elastics. Okay, so I've pulled it through all of the elastics. Now I'm going to take another one and secure it at the bottom and leave a few inches out. Now when it falls down, it's going to be a little loose, and you're just going to take the places that are not like loose, not poofed out, and you're just going to pancake those a little bit. So we're going to start down here on the bottom, and we're just going to loosen this up and give it a nice pancaked effect. Just going to comb through the ends. And now you have this nice faux mermaid bubble braid. Super simple, super cute, fun, and flowy. think this is a great, quick, and easy hairstyle for your preteens and teenagers. And that's it, guys. Super cute, simple, and you're ready to go. She's actually getting ready to go to a birthday party today, and it's a pool party. So she's got her faux bubble mermaid braid to wear to her pool party. Appropriate, right? Okay, give them a spin now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. And just a reminder to go check out our other channel, our beauty channel. It is ASK Beauty and More, and I will have that linked in the description bar down below. So go check that out. Subscribe to that channel while you're there. We'd really appreciate it. And that's it for now. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye.